These will be the best donuts you've ever made. In a bowl of warm water, add yeast and sugar and give it a stir. Let it bloom. Crack an egg into a separate bowl and then pour in some warm milk, some sugar, melted butter, and the yeast mixture. Mix it all together and then add some all-purpose flour and salt. Mix into a shabby-looking dough and then cover and let it rise for 30 minutes. Now add some more flour and mix it all together to form a nice smooth dough. Make sure to knead it well and then let it rise for another 2 hours or until doubled. Take the dough out onto your work table and then roll it out to about a 1/4 inch thickness. Use a round cutter or a wine glass works too, and cut up the dough into circles. Let them rise on a parchment paper for 30 minutes and then cut the parchment and drop the dough into the hot oil. Let the donuts cook on a low flame for 2 minutes on each side until they have a beautiful golden color. Prep the toppings by breaking some NuVita chocolate cream biscuits and then pipe a good amount of whipped cream or custard into the cooled donuts. Dip into some melted chocolate and then dip into the crushed cookies. It's ready to serve.